If you've been seeing Susan and Nancy online, you may be wondering one thing. Is it actually legit or is it just another scam? I decided to look into it before making any judgment. The first thing I noticed is that there isn't much clear, reliable information online about a business specifically called Susan and Nancy. Search results bring up several unrelated businesses and people with those names. So that alone makes me a little cautious. And this is where I think you need to slow down. If you found Susan and Nancy through an ad, social media post, or a website, don't rush to place an order. Check the company details first. Look for a real business address. Check the contact information. Read the refund policy. And most importantly, look for independent customer reviews. I also wouldn't rely only on reviews posted directly on the website. Those can be difficult to verify. Another thing I would check is the payment page. Make sure the price you see is the final price. Watch for subscriptions, extra fees, or automatically added products. So, is Susan and Nancy a scam? Based on what I could verify, I wouldn't confidently call it a scam. But I also wouldn't call it fully trustworthy yet. There simply isn't enough solid information for me to give it a strong recommendation. My honest advice is simple. Do your homework before spending money. If the deal looks too good to be true, take a step back. For me, Susan and Nancy gets a cautious rating right now.